Hello students, today in this video I will explain you the remaining question of revision exercise. All of you see question number 4. Question is subtract the sum of 2a minus 3b and minus 5b plus 7a. So what we have to find? We have to find the sum. We have to do subtract also, but before that we will find sum. Sum of 2a minus 3b and minus 5b plus 7a. So sum means plus. So what we will do? We will add these two. 2a minus 3b plus second algebraic expression is 5b minus 5b plus 7a. So we will add these two expressions. So first of all we will open the bracket. When we will open the bracket, on the left hand no sign is given. So we will write this bracket as it is. 2a minus 3b we will write as it is. Plus minus minus 5b plus 7a. Now in the next step what we will do? We will write like terms together. 2a and 7a both are like terms. So what we will do? 2a plus 7a we will write together. Minus 3b and minus 5b we will write together. Now these two are like term. We have to check the sign. 2 is having plus sign. 7 is also having plus sign. Plus and plus will be plus. So on adding them we will get 9a. Minus and minus plus. So we will add them. 5 plus 3 8b. But we have to put the sign of greater number. 5 is greater. 5 is having minus. So we will write here minus sign. So 9a minus 8b is the sum. Now after that what is this? What is given? Again sum is written. So again we will find second sum. This is the first sum. Now we will find second sum. Sum means plus. So we have to add 17a minus 8b plus second one is 9b minus 24a. So we have to find the sum of these two. We will open the bracket. On the left hand of the bracket nothing is given, so we will remove it. Bracket we will remove, and rest of the things we will write as it is. Now here bracket is coming. Again outside the bracket what is the sign here? Plus. So plus and plus will be plus 90 plus minus 24a. After removing the bracket what you have to do? Like terms we will write together. 17a minus 24a. These two are like term because they are having a alphabet. Now we will write these two like terms. Minus 8b plus 9b. 17 is having plus sign. 24 is having minus sign. So plus minus minus. So we will subtract them. On subtracting them we will get 7a. But we have to put the sign of greater number. From these two, 24 is greater, so 24 is having minus. So in the answer also we will write minus sign. So minus 7. Now we will come to these term. Minus plus minus. So we will subtract them. On subtracting them we will get 1b. We have to put the sign of greater number. 9 is greater and 9 is having plus. So we will put plus sign. Now we are having two sums. This is first sum and this is second sum. And question is, you have to subtract first sum from the second sum. So what is written after from? In the subtract question what you have to do? The number which is written after from, that we have to write first. So after from what is written? Sum is written. Which sum? Second sum. Second sum is coming after from. So what we will do? We will write second sum first. What is second sum? Minus 7a plus 1b. This we will write in one bracket. Minus in another bracket we will write first sum answer. What is the answer of first sum? 9a minus 8b. 9a minus 8b. Now we have to open the bracket. Outside the bracket no sign is coming, so minus 7a plus 1b will be as it is. Outside the bracket minus sign is coming, so minus plus minus 9a minus minus plus 8b. Now we will write like terms together. Minus 7a minus 9a are like term, plus 1b and plus 8b are also like terms. Minus and minus is plus, so we will add them. On adding them we will get 16a. And sign we have to put off larger number, greater is 9, minus we will put. Now we will come to these two terms. Plus and plus is plus, so we will add them. 8 plus 1 9, b. Alphabet is b, so that's why we have written here b alphabet. Now we have to put the sign of greater number. 8 is greater, 8 is having plus sign, so we will put here plus sign. Now this is your final answer of this question number 4th. So final answer is minus 16a plus 9b. In your answer sheet it is written as 9b minus 16a. You can write any answer, both the answers are correct. 9b, here it is plus sign, here also 9b is having plus sign. 16a is having minus sign, here also 16a is having minus sign. So no need to get confused. The answer in the answer sheet and our answer both are same only. So like this you have to do question number 4th. Now come to next question, question number 7th. 7th question. Simplify 13z minus large bracket 16x minus curly bracket 12y minus small bracket 7x plus, sorry, this is minus 7x minus 3y plus 4z small bracket close plus 5z minus small bracket 9x minus ny plus 5z, all the three brackets close. So this is the question. So in such question you have to use the rule of BODMAS. BODMAS we will use. So first of all we have to solve bracket. And which bracket we will solve? Small bracket. So where is the small bracket? This is the small bracket. So inside this small bracket you will observe all the three terms are unlike term. All the three are having different alphabet. That's why these are unlike. Here also small bracket is coming. Here also all are unlike term. So inside the bracket it is not possible to solve. So we will open the bracket. So when we will remove the bracket, we have to change the sign. 13z minus 16x minus 12y. Here we have to open the bracket. When we will open the bracket, sign will get changed with this minus sign. Minus plus minus 7x minus minus plus 3y minus plus minus 4z. Now bracket is over. This term we will write as it is. Again bracket is coming, small bracket, and outside this is small bracket, minus sign is also there. With this minus sign we have to change the sign of all the three terms. Minus plus minus 9x minus minus plus 10y minus plus minus 5z. Now small bracket is over, curly bracket, large bracket. Now in the next step what you have to do, inside this curly bracket, after the small bracket we have to solve curly. So inside this curly bracket so many terms are coming and most of them are like term also. So what we will do, we will not remove the bracket, we will solve the bracket first. So 13z minus 16x minus curly bracket. First of all we will write those terms in which x alphabet is coming. Minus 7x minus 9x. Now we will write those terms in which y alphabet is coming. Plus 12y plus 3y plus 10y. Now z alphabet minus 4z plus 5z minus 5z. Curly bracket, small large bracket. Now next step is we will write them as it is, minus curly bracket also as it is. We will solve these two like terms. Minus and minus is plus, so we will add them. 7 and 9 will be minus 16x. Why minus? Because we have to put the sign of greater number. 9 is greater, 9 is having minus. That's why we have to put here minus sign. Now these all are like term and all are having plus sign. So we will add them. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 10 will be 25y. And we have to put the sign of greater number. All are positive numbers, so answer will also be positive plus sign. Now we will come to Z. These three are having Z alphabet, but here these two will get cancelled because these two are having different sign and numbers are same. So these two will get cancelled. Now what is the remaining term? Remaining is minus 4. Curve bracket, large bracket. Now in the next step what we will do? In the curve bracket, all three are unlike term. So we will open this curve bracket now. Till here we will write as it is 13z minus 16x. Minus and minus will be plus 16x. Minus plus minus 25y. Minus minus plus 4z. Large bracket. Now 13z minus, first of all we will solve inside the bracket. These two are like term. 16 plus 16 will be 32x. Rest of the two are unlike, so we will write it as it is minus 25y plus 4z. Now in the next step what we have to do? 13z as it is, bracket we will open, so minus plus minus 32x, minus and minus plus 25y and minus plus minus 4z. In the next step what we will do? We will solve like terms. First of all we will write x alphabet. X alphabet only one term is having x alphabet, so we will write it first, minus 32x. Now we will come to y alphabet. Only y, one term is having y, so this one also we will write as it is. Now these two are having z alphabet. We will solve it. This is plus 30 and this is minus 4. Plus and minus will be minus, so on subtracting them we will get plus 9z. Why plus 9z? Because out of 13 and 4, 13 is greater and 13 is having plus sign. That's why we will write here plus sign. So this is your final answer of question number 7. So let's match this answer with your answer sheet. What is given in the answer sheet? In the answer sheet it is given minus 32x, okay, plus 25y, plus 9z. So our answer and answer sheet both are same. So like this we have to do question number 6th, 7th and 8th. Now we will come to question number 9. 9th question. Question number 9. A man has 15a minus 3b rupees. So we will also write a man has rupees. How much rupees? 15a minus 3b. From this much money he spent a plus b on the rent of his house. So here we have to write money spent on house. How much? Rupees a plus b. After that, money spent on education of children. Money spent on education. How much rupees? 3a minus 7b rupees. And money spent on treatment of his parents. Treatment of his parents is equal to rupees 4a minus 3b. After that, and 5b plus 4a on other expense. So here you have to write money spent on other expenses. Rupees. How much money he spent on other things? 5b plus 4a. So in all, how many times he had spent the money? 4 times he spent the money. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first of all we will find total money he spent. Total money spent. In order to find the total money spent, we will add all these 4 money. First one is A plus B. This is not the money that he spent. This is the total money which he was having. So we will not take it. We will take this A plus B plus 3A minus 7B plus 4A minus 3B plus 5B plus 4A. So we have to add all these 4. So we will remove the bracket first. A plus B as it is, plus 3A, plus minus 7B, plus 4A, plus minus 3B, plus 5B, and plus 4A. Now we have to write the like terms together. A plus 3A plus 4A plus 4A. These 4 are having same alphabet, that's why we have written them together. Now we will write this one plus 1B. Number is not given, that's why we will take 1. Plus 1B minus 7B minus 3B plus 5. Now here no number is given, so we will take 1. These 4 terms are having same alphabet and same sign, so we will add them. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 8. Now these 2 terms we will solve. Plus 1 and minus 7 will be minus 6b. These 2 are also like term, they are having B alphabet, so we will solve them. Minus plus minus, so on subtracting them we will get 2b. Which one is having greater number? Which one is greater here? 5 is greater, so plus sign we will take. So here we will take plus sign. Now again these 2 terms are having same alphabet, so final answer 12a. Minus plus minus, so we will subtract them, answer will be 4b. 6b is greater number, greater is having minus, so we will put minus sign. So this is the total money which is spent. Now what we have to find in the question? Find the sum of money left. So at the end you have to find money left. So here we will write money left. So in order to find money left, what we will do? In one bracket we will write total money which he was having, 15a minus 3b. From this money we will subtract the money which he spent. How much money he spent? 12a minus 4b. So in order to subtract it, what we will do? We will open the bracket. On opening the bracket we will get 15a minus 3b as it is. Then minus plus minus 12a. Minus plus 4b. Now like term we will solve together. 15a minus 12a, when we will do 15a minus 12a, answer will be 3a. Minus 3b plus 4b, answer will be plus 1b. So this is the final answer of question number 9. So in your answer sheet what is given? Question number 9th answer 3a plus b. And our answer is also 3a plus b. b means 1b only. So like this you have to do question number 9th. Now all of you see question number 11th. 11th question. A man is 29 years younger than his father. So whose age is given? Man age is given. What is the age of the man? Man is 29 years young. Young means chota hai. Than his father. Father age is not given. So we will assume, let the age of father. Let the age of father is X years. We will assume age of father is X years And in the question, whose age is given? Man age is given. Now we will write age of man. Age of man. Man age is 29 years young. Man is 29 years young. Young means छोटा है. तो आपको 29 छोटा करना है. छोटा means minus. So what we will do? We will do x minus 29. x में से कम कर देंगे. कितना कम कर देंगे? How much he is young? 29 years younger. That's why we will subtract 29. So x minus 29 years is the age of man. Now, and the difference is divided by question is sum of their present age is 51 years. Sum of their ages is given. Sum means plus. Whose age sum? Age of man and age of his father. Sum of ages of both the person is given. How much? 51. Now what we have to do? Age of man we will write here x minus 29 plus age of father we will write x is equal to 51 we will write as it is. Now x plus x will be 2x minus 29 as it is equal to 51. Minus 29 will come on right hand, so it will become plus 29. 51 plus 29 and on the left hand it is 2x. So 2x is equal to, on adding them 9 plus 1 10, 80. So x is equal to 80 divide. Why we will divide it with 2? Because this 2 is in multiply here. When we will bring on right hand, it will come in divide. So now these 2 will get cancelled. 40. So x answer is 40. Now what we have to find in the question? Find the age of man and his father. So what we will write here? We will write age of father. How much is the age of father? X. And x is 40. So age of father is 40 years. Now we will write age of man also. Age of man, in where we have written age of man, x minus 29. Under x we will write the value. Value of x is 40. 40 minus 29 we will do. Answer is 11 years. So final answer of this question is age of father is 40 years and age of man is 11 years. So like this you have to do question number 11. So now this exercise is over. You all have to finish this exercise in your fair note.